In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a Stripe invoice using an easy step-by-step approach that simplifies the process for everyone. Whether you're a small business owner or a financial manager navigating Stripe's dashboard, follow along as we guide you through each crucial step to efficiently void an invoice. Let's start from the very beginning by heading over to the Stripe dashboard. Open your preferred web browser, type in the URL for the Stripe website, and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the home page of the Stripe dashboard. This is essentially your command center for managing all things related to payments and billing. Once here, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on the Billing tab will lead you further into the invoicing features of the platform. Then, continue by selecting Invoices. This section displays all invoices linked to your Stripe account, allowing you to manage and adjust billing activities as needed. With the Invoices area open, scan through the list to locate the specific invoice that you wish to void. This might involve a little bit of scrolling depending on how many invoices are generated in your account, but you should be able to select the needed entry fairly quickly. After selecting the desired invoice by clicking on its entry, you'll encounter various options and details about the invoice. Here, focus your attention on the icon with three dots, typically found at the top right corner of the invoice's summary page. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. One of the drop-down options you'll see is Change Invoice Status. Click here to advance to the next step where you can decide on changing the status of the invoice to either open, closed, or in our case, void. Now it's time to click on Void. This is an irreversible action that not only cancels the invoice but also marks it as invalid. It's essential to ensure this is the invoice you indeed wish to nullify, as once it's voided, it cannot be used for any further payment processing. Finally, confirm this action by selecting Update Status. Clicking this confirms voiding the invoice, and you'll be notified that the action has been completed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to voiding a Stripe invoice. Remember, voiding an invoice should be done with caution, since reversing this action is not possible. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to handle invoices with ease, maintaining control over your billing operations. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful for managing your Stripe account more effectively.